Students, today we are going to see about uh, how to make an LED bulb to glow with the help of a switch. Okay, on off button. Uh, so for which normally in labs we are supposed to get each and every component. Okay, and we are supposed to assemble it. So I'll be showing you the way to assemble. So I'll be sharing the screen. So this is a connection which we are supposed to do. Okay. So normally we'll be with the help of Arduino, we'll be connecting it, and this is the breadboard. Okay. And these are all the wires which we'll be using, and this is the switch, and this is the LED bulb. So these two are the actuators. As you know, these two are the actuators. So what we are supposed to do, we need to connect that with the help of the resistors, because when we are connecting without the resistors, it will be taking as much of amount of energy, and it may get damaged with. Okay, so to prevent that, we are going with that is, we are using this resistors, so that it will be giving the limited amount of current, which is power supply, which is needed for the bulb to. Okay, so when we are checking with here, we'll be fixing the resistors along with, that is, one end of the terminal that will be connected with the resistors, and the other end of the terminal that will be connected with the 5 volt. Okay, power supply. And normally we used to connect the thing with the help of a ground. And here we'll be having another, that is LED bulb, in which one end of the terminal which is connected to the resistor, as how we did it, and the other end of the terminal which will be connected to a digital pin. Okay, so here I have connected with 2. And here from the resistor, that is one end of the thing, that will be connected to 7. So what is the input here? 7 may be the input which we can have, and 2 may be the output in which we need to have it. Okay. So now when we are starting the simulation, so here the light will be glowing. Okay, so that is how we need to connect it. Okay, so based on that, we need to get the kit from the IoT lab, and we are supposed to do it, make the connection, and we need to make the check with whether we are having this. So for which we'll be having some coding, right? Coding part 2. So for making the coding part, we'll be opening I'll be sharing the coding part screen too. Okay, so this is the way we need to code it. Okay, so first we need to define the pin for LED. So I have given in pin number 2, it seems, right? There. And the other pin which I have given is 4, it seems. 7 and 2. 7. So we need to set the pin as well as choose the pin as well as LED pin. And afterwards, we need to initializing the variable. Okay. And afterwards, we'll be declaring the LED as the output and the input as the pin, push button, which we have given. So afterwards, we need to loop it. So for making the loop, we need to have the digital read and we need to switch the pin. When it is in low, it will be turning off the LED, and when it is high, it will be turning on the LED. Okay. So that is how we need to make the connection as well as we need to check it. So for making the compilation, here we need to do like this. When we are connecting that with our thing, it will be uploading as well as it will be compiling and providing you the result over here. Okay, so that is the way in which we need to connect it and we need to make the LED bulb to glow. Okay, thank you, students.